This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pender. Oceanside with swimming pool. Luxurious 4-bedroom, 3,400 square foot home with a 2-car garage located on a great North End street. Wonderful bright and open floor plan with elevator, gorgeous designer eat-in kitchen, living room with walk-behind wet bar and fireplace, spacious dining room with fireplace, beautiful master bedroom suite and 3 additional bedrooms. Brick and cedar exterior, multiple outdoor decks and brick paver patio, fenced yard with gorgeous landscaping and large driveway for overflow parking. Move right into this amazing home. For more information, review the details below.